the second.
I'm so nervous. It's one of my dreams to stand here and to present my first full feature. So I'm really happy and you're here, guys. Even if it's raining outside, I really appreciate for you guys coming over here. The feeling is different standing here and talking in front of you. Parang naiyak ako dun I would like to introduce my production team. First, I would like to, I'm shaking, to call on my executive producer, Jonas Gafford. Also, he's not here. One of the producers is Daryl Yap. Line producer, Martin Mayuga. One of my producers is Ferdy Lapos, is not here as well. My writer, Carlos Palanca awardee, Jmar Castro. Yes. My production designer, G. Shaku Jose. Our assistant director can come as well. She's Ninay Castinlag. My production manager, EJ Parco. EJ, are you here? Nasa labas pa si EJ for the tickets. My location manager, si Miss Donna Labrador. Please give them a round of applause, please. My talent coordinator, Sander Ali. Head wardrobe, Hazel Unanik. Wala rin siya ngayon. Makeup, Jonaline Ubaldo. Yes. Since I'm the cinematographer of this film as well, I would like to introduce to you to my camera team, my DOP team. First off, my camera operator, Gab De Lumpa. Mike, are you here, Mike? So Mike is not. And my AC, Raymond Macacaren. Art directors are here. Si Ramil, Setman, si Gilbert, and yung stunt double namin, si Kuya Ron. And for my post-production team, Full Post Asia, thank you very much, Full Post Asia, headed by my editor, si John Wong, and Blue Ocean Production. Musical scorer, he can come, si Brian Dumagina. Ang colorist namin, si TJ Cadalina. Sound engineer, si Paula Estero. And our visual effects, si Mark Tapay. Yes. So now, I'll introduce to you my actors. First, Echo Benitez is here. King Sabido. Yes. Marcus Asis. Si Senyor Mervin Brondial. Ang Cinemalaya 2019 longest best actress ng Cinemalaya, si Miss Ruby Ruiz. Mercedes Cabral is part of the production as well, but kaka-booster lang niya, kaya hindi siya makapunta. And for a very special participation, I would like to introduce to you Jolo Estrada. And for an outstanding performance, I would like to call Benjamin Alves. And for the power couple of my film, I would like to call on Soliman Cruz. And the power couple of my film, Jeom, Bascon, and Meryll Soriano. I would like to acknowledge the president of the Diamond Star. Ma'am, thank you for coming over. Thank you for coming Thank you for coming. Guys, this is my team and I would like to thank my team. Thank you very much, my team. Without you, this won't happen. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And guys, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you very much. I hope you like our film. Please share our film.
Kindly remain on stage for the next part of the program. We shall be presenting a certificate of recognition to the film's director. The certificate reads, the Cultural Center of the Philippines and Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated present the certificate of recognition to Meryll C. Yamson II, Director, ANGKAS, finalist, Full Night Feature Film Competition, given this 8th day of August 2022 at the Tanghalang Nicanor Abelardo, Cultural Center of the Philippines, CCP Complex, Ross Boulevard, Pasay City. Signed, Maria Margarita Moran Clemente, President, Cultural Center of the Philippines, Chris B. Miliado, Festival Director, Cinemalaya, Luis Guillen, President, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated, Jose Javier Reyes, Chairperson, Cinemalaya Competition, and Antonio O. Cuanco, Chairman, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated. To present the certificate of recognition, please welcome Cinemalaya Deputy Festival Director Ms. Tess Rances, and Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated President Ms. Luis Guillen. We'll now have 2 photo ops. Keep your masks on, please.